Hello everyone, welcome to the quick demo video of FunnelZPresso, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of the software. So this is the login page and you just need to log into your account. You just need to use your username and password. So I'm going to log into my account and let's see how it works. So I've successfully logged into my account and you can see the dashboard here and you can see the left sidebar. There are some features of this software. You can see the dashboard, landing pages, templates, leads, products, orders. So with FunnelZPresso, you can create landing pages. Let's go to the landing page section and you can see that here's the landing page I have already created, and if you want to create new one, you just need to click here. So it will take you to this page and you can select any of these templates. So let's select this freon. So if you want to select this, you can preview it before. So if you want to preview it, you just need to click the preview button, and this is the templates. So let's customize it. Let's put a name here and click on save. And you can customize the templates from here. So you can customize your landing page. You just need to drag and drop and you can customize everything from here. So we just keep it as demo and let's click on save. So landing page is saved now, and let's go back to the landing page section and you can see that here's the landing page that is we have created, but you can see that it is not published yet. So let's go to the settings, and from here you can select publish, and next you can customize the subdomain or you can use your custom domain. So let's customize the subdomain and click on save. And in the form section you have three options. You can use autoresponder, you can customize everything from here, and you can integrate your autoresponder. You can use MailChimp, XSML, or none of them. So let's go to the next section, which is fonts. So you can customize the fonts, and let's go to the SEO section. So you can set up the SEO from here, and in the payment section you can set up the payment section. You can select it to your default thank you page, or you can redirect to any URL. And after that you can customize the header and footer. So you can put here the custom code, and after that let's go back to the general section and check mark on the publish and click on save. Alright, so let's go back to the landing page and let's see it is published or not. So you can see that our demo landing page is published now, and if we click on this URL, it will take to the landing page that we created using this software. So this is very easy, and let's check if we subscribe from the landing page, we get leads or not. So let's subscribe the demo and let's use this email and select service A, and let's click here and types up text. Let's click here, get it now. Alright, we have successfully subscribed from our demo landing page, and let's go back to our software and click on refresh, and let's go to the leads section. Alright, so you can see that we have successfully get the subscriber info, and here is the lead info, and you will get every detail of your subscriber. So this is how FunnelZPresso works, and this is so easy to create landing pages. You can create your own landing page, or you can use the pre-made templates. And after that you can see the product section. From here you can create your own product, and after that you can see the orders section. So this is where you can get the info of your orders. So this is how the FunnelZPresso works, and it's very simple and easy. So thanks for watching this video, and peace and signing off. Bye bye.